This is a sediment filter of 1 micron and 10 inches in length. It is a type of filter that is used to remove suspended solids from water. The suspended solids include sand particles, dust particles, and any suspended matter in the water. When it comes to replacing a sediment filter in a water filtration machine, one unwraps the filter, puts it in an already open filter housing, then screws back the housing onto the machine tightly to avoid leakage. There is a sequence of arrangement depending on the size of the pore diameter, for example from the largest to the smallest, for example from 10 micron to 5 micron to 1 micron and to 0.5 micron.